welcome back to another video. Today we are just going to be doing a quick speed clean in the bathroom with me. My bathroom, as you can see, was quite a mess, so I'm just tidying things up around here, and I'd really like to go through this counter and get a lot of things off of there because I feel like my counter is just too cluttered. But yeah, we're just going to clean the counter and then, clean the toilets and the tub and stuff, and wash the floor. But yeah, I hope this motivates you to clean, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And also, if this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family, and let's get to cleaning.
Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways, brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being on the rodeo highways, brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways, brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
Two ships passing in the night on the stormy sea. You got your navigation lights pointing right at me. From the dead of the night, far away from land, searching for a harbor or a quiet strand. You could be the anchor that keeps my feet on the ground. I would be the rock that keeps you from drowning. I'm your sail when the wind is blowing.
Alright, wrap up this video. Like I said, it was just going to be a short little bathroom clean with me, but I hope you guys still got some cleaning motivation from this, and I hope to see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys!
Been breaking through the waves under stormy skies.